Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is all the fun places you can find me. This is the August Target Beauty Box. It's called Hot for Fall. Summer may be winding down, but that doesn't mean your beauty routine needs to. If your skin, hair, and nails are in some desperate need of TLC, you're not alone. After months of fun in the sun, we're turning to those hero products to help us look our hottest as we head into the fall. So let's get into the product. Hey, August Beauty Box, Target, hot for fall. So we got some fun little products. We got some, I don't know, odd selections here. So we have MyBite Vitamins. They're beauty inside out. You're supposed to eat 1 bite per day. They're chocolatey and they have vitamin C and E and biotin to help your hair and grow and stuff. So there's like 5-day supply here. Then we have Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioning Treatment, which I've probably been using since like the frickin' 80s on this hair. That's awesome. Then we have Hello Activated Charcoal and Hemp Seed Oil. So here's the thing with activated charcoal. You like your teeth turn black. When you spit it out, it's black. It's fun brushing your teeth. So this is Epic Whitening. Excited to try that. Then we have Oral-B Interdental Picks, which I am excited to just put these in a bag and keep them in my model bag, because if you eat on set and suddenly you have no floss, or they are awesome and have healthy stuff like salads, you don't want any like spinach in your teeth or anything. These are great. They're portable. Well, if you put them in a bag, they're portable. And yeah, so, and they're like little bristles that you can actually not just floss with, but if you gotta get something off your teeth, you can do that as well. So it also says the trick here is to brush your teeth with baking soda to get rid. Then we have Herbal Essence Birch Bark. I'm excited about doing beauty boxes, so I just say Birch Box automatically. Birch Bark Extract. So it's sulfate free. It's great for color treated hair like mine. It won't strip your scalp. I love these little packets because they're great for traveling. You don't have to take whole bottles. They're not going to leak unless you like stab them or something. And then finally, even though I'm not a man, some people might say I look like one. I've had that. Thank you, troll haters. Dove Men Care Plus Care Fresh and Clean 2-in-1. It's fresh and clean shampoo and conditioner. I don't care if it's a guy thing. Ooh, it does smell fresh and clean. I'll shampoo and condition with it. Don't care. It does smell fresh and clean though. So then $3 coupon, which I never end up using. That is hot for fall. Until next time, stay beautiful and follow me in all these places. Mwah!